What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm Shadow Killblade, and on today's video, you are going to see Meow Wolf, and we went to the Renaissance Festival. And on this video, I was joined by my mom and Frostfire TV. Frostfire's link will be down in the description. Please go give them a follow if you can. We went to Meow Wolf and the Colorado Renaissance Festival. Unfortunately, I am missing half of my footage. I don't know what happened to it, but I decided to make the video anyway, give you guys something to watch. So if you can, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe. I love to see what you guys have to say. I reply to all comments, so please leave a comment down below, and I greatly appreciate it. And I hope you enjoy this video. Figured I'd give you a little bit of extra. This is it's from the old Avon, Colorado. And then you got the Rio Grande action. Some of the buildings were like stocked of what that time period would be. Definitely worth checking out if you've never been or plan on coming to Colorado. It's a cool, neat little thing. Just be respectful and keep your hands to yourself.
Train go through the building.
That was up an intern at the roundhouse. It's not there anymore. Alpine Tunnel would be a good place to go.
Alpine Tunnel.
Oh, mining stuff.
Gotta love Colorado history.
That is
The blade on that. Blade. Hey, I learned on saddles. Those kind of saddles. Western saddle. I learned on Western. For those of you who don't know, I used to ride horses.
I rode one once. And then I got fucked up.
I did showmanship and trail.
See, I've always wanted one of those.
I've
Gramophone type thing.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's not just a record
That's
player.
a Victor.
I've always wanted a record player.
Oh, I know, yeah. Used to be one of
Singer's been around a long time.
those. That's when you had to use your foot to
Uh-huh. You see?
put up.
Ooh. He's soft.
Can you imagine trying to climb into that? That would be converted into a sleigh.
Nope. Wouldn't do it. I'd rather die.
I like the whole motor fuel.
We're stuck in traffic.
It's a joy.
It really is. There's a car fire on the interstate.
Somewhere.
Mama Shadow just chilling.
Like there's anything else to do? Seriously?
No. Stop it! I am small enough. I can fit back there. Meow Wolf was really fun. There was this like alien looking convenience store, which is really cool. Meow Wolf is a interactive art center. Each door leads to a different area and every door is different. Like there's definitely a lot to see there. Definitely recommend going. They have one in Grapevine, Texas, Santa Fe, New Mexico, and Las Vegas, Nevada. It was very loud, so I really couldn't keep any of the audio from Meow Wolf. There was this washing machine with teeth. They had like this alien egg one, they had an eyeball one, they had a doll one. They were all different. Each one was different. Sorry, it's dark, everybody.
Your mom can get sound anyways.
Good luck getting her over here, though. Look at this. Joystick buttons. You gonna drive the bus to hell?
Oh, I want the Harry Potter bus.
Trust me driving?
Sure.
Yeah, I can barely read the The giant robot had control panels on that you could control the lights on the ceiling. Unfortunately, there was a line to use it, so I did not get to use it, but Frostfire did. There's also this really cool book of knowledge, at least that's what I called it. I really liked the Crystal Castle. It was really cool, but the pipe organ that they had there was very loud and was hurting my ears, so I couldn't stay very long.
We're at the Colorado Renaissance Festival.
So unfortunately, because it was really busy at Ren Fair and my phone was really full of videos from Meow Wolf, I didn't get a lot of footage at Ren Fair, and when I got home, again, some of my footage ended up disappearing, so couldn't show you the full experience. But it was still awesome. I went with Crossfire, who was dressed as a Norse Viking. I was an assassin rogue. And my mom didn't dress up because it's just not her thing. Pretty sure my mom only came to see Celtic Legacy, which is our favorite show to see at Ren Fair.
There's just so many people here.
Yeah, but it's the only place you can watch men in skirts and women dressed as fairies, and it's okay.
Right? There's a lot of cool vendors, but a lot of them I can't show you because they don't want their products. Like, you gotta come here to see their products.
And one of high amounts of dangerous skill, as you will see demonstrated right before your very eyes. That's a spicy meatball! Then I'm going to bend over, and without using my hands, I'm going to swallow the sword, take it out of your hands, make awkward eye contact with the entire audience. Let's come over to Dina. Place in her hands, she's gonna slide it out of my throat. Dan, you hold on to this. Oh, actually, one more thing, Dan. For the love of God, don't move. I got position you, but don't move after that. Too. When you feel a little lift, you know, let's do some of that. You know what you do. Calm down, it's necessary. Gotta give it that little hot to it.
We got to see Jack's Sea Whipper, but again, that footage is actually missing, so this is all I have. And lastly, Celtic Legacy. The show was awesome. Highly recommended. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys on the next video.